Kiambu Kenya na kena airitu 38 aria ni ukuru wa gatagati ka miaka 13 na 14 marahithukiirwo ni maabitha a borithi kuma Thika mathaa-ini ma utuku nyumba-ini imwe magithaka mithako ya gucindana na ya kamari.
It is very serious for children under 18 to be indulged in such kind of gaming and betting businesses. It's becoming too painful because our society is losing.
Aya ni arutwo cukuru cia muthingi, secondary hamwe na colleges. Borithi magitetia aciari ni kumarekereria riria mabati gukorwo magithoma.
For that matter, we are encouraging the parents. They should at least get to know where their children are going to, and especially during this time when schools are opening.
Na thiini wa nyumba otokora ni nyumba ina nduma nene muno gutiramenyekana kiria kiuma ku thiini kana ni ate gwikagwo no ni ati ciana icio kurigana uria ona twaria nacio ciana ingĩ na itiramenya undu uria cireka no muthemba uriku.
Thutha mutheri ni maracokire kurekererio na kugirwo ni aciari ao kuria marambire kuheo mataro.
If we can have young boys, a student of about 10 years, a primary school students is engaging in gaming and betting, it is quite unacceptable, and we cannot accept such kind of businesses to be taking place in this place.
Aikari aria makuhanireire na nyumba ino nio maramakunyanire gwi borithi kumana na inegene riao. Ikinya riri riukite riri commissioner wa Kiambu hamwe na komanda wa borithi marutite mukana mururu kwi maabitha a matura kuhitana na ciana iria irorora matauni ma kaunti ya Kiambu. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Wanjiku wa Kimani.